Dear students, today we are going to learn about plant breeding resistant to pathogens or diseases. Okay, now dear students, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan had been introduced several breeding crop plants, especially mainly breeding crop plants such as wheat, rice, maize, jowar, bajra, and as well as brassica cauliflower. So here in those of breeding plants are infected by some of the pathogens. Those pathogens such as fungi, bacteria, virus. The fungal pathogen, the bacterial pathogen, the virus pathogen to be infected by breeding crop plants. Or hybrid crop plants. Especially fungi is infected by some of the breeding crop plants to be cause of diseases. Fungi especially to be cause of some diseases, that is brown rust of wheat. So here brown rust of wheat is caused by one fungal organism. Red dot of sugarcane is caused by one fungal organism. Late blight of potato is caused by one fungal organism. Mainly the fungal pathogen or the fungal organism to be cause some useful economically hybrid cropping plants such as wheat, potato and sugarcane. So that is brown rust of wheat to be caused by one fungal pathogen. Late blight of potato is caused by one fungal pathogen. Red dot of sugarcane is caused by one fungal pathogen. At the same time, bacteria are infected by to be hybrid crop plants to be causing of some diseases, especially black rot of cruciferae. Black rot of cruciferae is caused by one type of bacterial pathogen. And also tobacco mosaic disease, turnip mosaic disease is caused by one viral organism. So several pathogens mainly involves fungal organisms, bacterial organisms and viral organisms to be infected by some of the Indian breeding crop plants. So however, this plant breeding resistant to pathogens or diseases. So the method of breeding resistant to pathogens or diseases. So two methods are here. One is conventional breeding, second one is mutation breeding. Okay, now dear students. So methods of breeding for resistance to pathogens. So for resistance to pathogens to be involved two methods. First method are here conventional breeding, second one here mutation breeding. Conventional breeding, okay, now is one of the traditional cropping derivatives by means is always crossing or hybridized to be resulted to pure lines and after selection and to be produced hybrid variety plant. These plants are having to high resistance and high yielding and is always tolerant to atmospheric stresses and is always tolerant to abiotic stresses and is always resistant to pathogens or diseases. This is the conventional breeding. So in this conventional breeding method are involving mainly two steps. First step are here hybridization, second step are here selection. By means, so the plant breeding is the purposeful manipulation of two plant species. So in order to create a desirable two types of plants that having to have better cultivation, get better health, and also higher disease resistant. That is the importance of plant breeding. That is the importance of plant breeding as well as conventional breeding. So this conventional breeding to be introduced by Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. So Dr. M.S. Swaminathan to be introduced several cropping hybrid plants, mainly such as wheat, maize and rice. Okay now. So these are the conventional breeding crop plants. So these conventional breeding crop plants such as wheat, brassica, cauliflower, cowpea and chili. So these are the varieties and these are the resistance to disease. So here discuss about one by one. So first one is here Himagiri variety of wheat. Is resistant to in which disease? That is leaf and stripe rust disease. Okay now. So these are the conventional breeding of cropping plants. These conventional breeding of cropping plants as depend upon to the very long extents of plant breeding process. So this plant breeding is always depend upon to the green revolution. So this green revolution first to be introduced by Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. So Dr. M.S. Swaminathan to be introduced or selected several conventional breeding crop plants such as first one is here Himagiri variety of wheat crop. Himagiri variety of wheat crop is always resistant to leaf and stripe rust disease. Second one Pusa swarnim variety of brassica crops is always resistant to white rust disease. Okay now. Next one Pusa subara and Pusa snowball K1 variety of cauliflower crop is always resistant to black rot disease. Next one is here Pusa komal variety of cowpea crops is always resistant to bacterial blight disease. And next one here Pusa Sadabaha variety of chili crop is always resistant to chili mosaic virus and tobacco mosaic virus disease. Okay now. These are the conventional breeding of variety of crop plants. This conventional breeding of variety of crop plants is always resistant to some diseases. Second one is here mutation breeding. Generally mutation is one of the inheritable and variation. So the organism is always undergoes to the mutation, that is called mutant. So here some of the physical agents and some of the chemical agents caused by mutations, that is called mutagens. Some physical agents and some chemical agents to be causing of the mutations. Okay now, to be causing of the mutations. So that is known as mutagens. So some of the physical mutagens are here. Okay now, dear students, X-rays, alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays and UV rays, that is ultraviolet rays. And chemical mutagens are here. So colchicine and another one nitrous oxide, colchicine and nitrous oxide, and also mustard gas and also mustard gas. These are the chemical mutagens. Okay now. Plant breeding destined to pathogens or diseases. First method are here conventional breeding method. Second method are here mutation breeding method. First we are going to discuss about what is the meaning of mutation. So generally mutation is one of the process so in which characters are passed from one generation to another generation. That is short form inheritable and variation. So every organism undergo the mutation, that is called mutants. But here some of the physical agents and some of the chemical agents, okay now, to be caused mutations. These are known as mutagens. Some of the physical mutagens are here X-rays, alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays and UV rays. Okay now. And another chemical mutagens are here colchicine, mustard gas and nitrous oxide. Okay now. So anyhow, so several the mutagens of genes are incorporated into the another species of breeding crop plants. Okay now. So here that is always some of the species of genes is incorporated into the another species. By means one species of characters are passed to another species. That is the mutation breeding. Given the for examples are here. So resistance to yellow mosaic virus in mung bean. Resistant to yellow mosaic virus in mung bean also is one of the mutation breeding. Okay now, mutation breeding, the best examples are here resistant to yellow mosaic virus. Okay now, resistant to yellow mosaic virus to be mung bean, although the mutation breeding. Then after resistant to yellow mosaic virus in bindi, then after transferred in another wild species, then after to be produced new variety of species, that is called Parpani Kranti. Okay now, that is called Parpani Kranti. Okay now, mutation breeding, the best examples are here yellow mosaic disease virus. Some of the viruses are infected by some plants to be causing of yellow mosaic disease. Is due to the mutation. By means several genes are incorporated into one species to another species. Okay now, at the same time hairy leaves, so is always supported to be incorporated into the another genes, These are the examples for mutation breeding. Okay now. So next we are going to discuss about plant breeding developing for resistance to insect pests. Especially some of the insect pests are infected by several Indian crop breeding plants. Already know Dr. M.S. Swaminathan to be introduced several breeding crop plants. These several breeding crop plants are infected by some of the pathogenic organisms as well as infected by some of the insect pests. Such as aphids and also butterflies and also mosquitoes. These are the infected by plant breeding crop plants. Plant breeding crop plants. Okay now. So to be discussed about some of the plant breeding crop plants resistant to insect pests. Resistant to insect pests. Okay now. So first one here, Pusa Gaurav. So here Pusa Gaurav variety of brassica crop resistant to one type of insect pest, that is aphids. That is aphids. That is aphids. Okay now. Once again, Pusa Gaurav variety of brassica crops resistant to one type of insect pest, that is aphids. That is aphids. So next one here, Pusa Sen 2 and Pusa Sen 3 variety of plant bean crops. So is always resistant to insect pest, that is jassids and aphids. That is jassids and aphids. Okay now, next one, Pusa Savani variety of okra, that is bindi. That is bindi. So the scientific name of bindi, Abelmascus esculentus. Abelmascus esculentus, that is lady's finger. That is lady's finger. Okay now, Pusa Savani variety of okra crops is always resistant to one insect pest, that is shoot and fruit borer. Shoot and fruit borer. So these are some breeding crop plants. So these breeding crop plants is always resistant to pathogens and is always resistant to some insect pest. Is always resistant to some insect pest. Okay now, thank you.